nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Inaasahan namin na muli tayong magkikita. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, we have landed at Lawag International Airport. Welcome to Lawag. Time now is 10:40 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Do not remove your carry-on baggage until the aircraft has come to a full stop and is properly parked. On behalf of Captain Rain Viola, Captain Denver Tedoro, and First Officer Justin Galen, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.